Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Kalissa, and it has been a struggle bus just getting this video out. I literally, I'm low battery. My camera's low battery right now. It's like blinking the red light, so I'm gonna have to change that soon. Lost my memory card, so this is the second time I'm filming this video. And then my microphone was not working, which is the second time that it's happened. I had to actually purchase a new one, and this microphone is not cheap. Why? Everything that could have happened. Today is an extremely exciting video because I had this really beautiful brand called Charmed Aroma reach out to me. They wanted to send me a couple candles to review and possibly show you guys if I fell in love with them, and I am so excited to show you. Fortunately, I did film the lighting up of the candle process on my iPhone, so the clips where you see a close-up of the candles, it will have been filmed with my iPhone. So that was fortunate for me that I was able to do that, because like I said, I lost my memory card, so I'm not even gonna sweat it. The boxes for these candles was thrown out because in my mind I wasn't planning on filming this a second time, because I didn't really plan to lose my memory card. So unfortunately, one of the candles is used, and there are no boxes. So I'm gonna have to go on to the email that they sent me to explain some really fun things to you guys. So like I said, they reached out to me. They let me pick a couple candles from the site, and of course, a lot of their pieces have jewelry on the inside, so that's very exciting to me. And you guys know that I am no stranger to candles. We love candles here. They have a Harry Potter collection. What do you think that I was gonna choose? Like, honestly, I actually have, I think the newest one. Oh my god, I fell in love with the first one that I saw, which was the newest one. Unfortunately, they were sold out. I'm really happy with the candles that I got, but I also really want the golden egg that he wins. They have a candle. It's basically like a replica of it. This is the first one that I grabbed. This is a golden snitch. This is stunning. In the box, these two wings came detached, and you just have to screw them on. Candle on the inside. Yes, I have used it. It smells so damn good, and I'm like savoring it. I only melted it a lot because I was trying to get the piece of jewelry that was on the inside, which I have, which I'll show you, but I didn't want to use it. And then the other one that they sent me that I picked out was Hedwig. Look at how gorgeous. I haven't used her yet, and this does come with a piece of jewelry on the inside as well, but who knows if I'm ever gonna get that piece of jewelry, because I just I don't want to use her. But if I did use her, I could, these are reusable, which is amazing. So I probably am going to use her, but I just want to savor the moment, you know? I am so excited to show you guys me lighting up this puppy and waiting for the jewelry to arise from the depths of the candle. We are going to read some information regarding the candle. This is how the box looked. These are the pieces of jewelry that it comes with. Immerse yourself in the wizarding world of Harry Potter with this detailed replica golden snitch jewelry candle. Resembling the magical snitch used in Quidditch matches at Hogwarts, dazzle your sense with an irresistible scent blend of golden champagne, sparkling nectarine, and sugar musk. When you finish burning, find a 925 sterling silver golden snitch necklace inside. Made of golden plated stainless steel, each golden snitch is handcrafted and polished by hand. When assembled, each golden snitch has an impressive 13-inch wingspan. As a bonus, as a decor piece, and keep as a unique collector's item.
All of our candles and bath bombs are vegan and cruelty-free.
Now for the Hedwig Owl Candle, I will read it for you guys again, because I know you low-key love my animator voice. Immerse yourself in the wizarding world of Harry Potter with your own Hedwig Owl jewelry candle. Light and enjoy a warm and woodsy scent featuring notes of soft vanilla bean, white birch, and sandalwood. When you finish burning, find a solid 925 sterling silver Harry Potter Hedwig Owl necklace inside. Features notes of soft vanilla bean, white birch, and sandalwood. As a bonus, reuse the Hedwig Owl jar and keep as a unique collector's item. So please do not mind my dirty top and my dirty brushes and my dirty mirror. Oh my goodness, so embarrassing. But I am going to just put it right here. How cute! So this has been on for probably like an hour and a half, 2 hours. And I see no jewelry in there yet. Oh my goodness, it's 1:37. And I should have put this on way earlier in the day. I'm so tired. But it's just so beautiful still. You guys have already seen me light up the candle and take it out from the candle. That was exciting. It is so beautiful. Pretty much obsessed with it. Be sure to follow me on TikTok and on Instagram. I will definitely let you know when I post updates on the Hedwig candle and the jewelry that comes out of it. I'm very excited to see what surprises on the inside. Thank you so much, Charmed Aroma, for sending me these candles. I'm so excited to have them in my collection. And I mean, candles and Harry Potter are just like a match made in heaven. So thank you so much for reaching out to me and sending me these. And yeah, thank you guys so much for checking out this video. Thank you so much, Charmed Aroma. I will leave all their information down below so you can check them out. And that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Please be on the lookout for more videos to come, so make sure that you hit the notification bell in order to be notified of when I post new videos, because I promise you that they will be coming. We'll get there. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. Please make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to be notified of when I post new videos. And I hope my little bembas have a blessed day.